Brother, let me tell you something real. Women don't miss men because of what they do, they miss them because of how those men make them feel. You could send her 1,000 good morning texts, buy her gifts, take her out every weekend, and still she might not miss you when you're gone. Because it's not the actions that stick, it's the feeling those actions create. Attraction is a vibration, not a checklist. It's built through presence, that deep calm confidence that speaks louder than any word. When a man walks in his truth, when he moves with certainty and peace, he leaves an imprint on a woman's emotions that lingers long after he's gone. That's what most men don't understand. They think trying harder makes them more desirable, but effort without energy just feels desperate. The harder you chase, the weaker your presence becomes. See, women don't fall for effort, they fall for essence. The man who knows who he is, who doesn't need to be validated, who can sit in silence and still feel powerful, that's the man she remembers. You don't become unforgettable by flooding her with attention. You become unforgettable by holding your energy, by giving just enough to be felt but never too much to be predictable. Presence is not about being physically near, it's about creating emotional gravity. When your energy commands respect, when your silence speaks, she'll feel you even when you're not around. Every woman has met men who talked too much, tried too hard, did too many things. But she never forgets the one who made her feel something real, steady, safe, certain. So, brother, stop chasing validation. Stop trying to impress. Be the man whose energy lingers, whose calm becomes her memory. That's the power that makes her miss you without a single word. Brother, one of the easiest ways to lose a woman's interest is by being too available. When she always knows where to find you, when your words and reactions become predictable, the mystery dies. And when the mystery dies, so does the attraction. Women crave space to wonder, to think, to imagine. That wondering is where curiosity is born, and curiosity is the spark that makes her miss you. You don't need to play games or disappear for weeks, but you must learn the art of distance. When you're always around, always replying instantly, always showing up, she never gets the chance to feel your absence. But when you pull back just enough, when you allow silence to breathe between conversations, something shifts. Suddenly, she starts asking herself, where is he? What's he doing? Why hasn't he texted yet? That's when you become a thought in her mind instead of just another man in her messages. Presence loses its magic without absence. Think about your favorite song, if you played it on repeat all day, it would lose its meaning. But when you hear it after a pause, it hits differently, deeper, stronger. You have to treat your presence the same way. Don't let her overplay you. Make your presence a luxury, not a habit. Pulling back isn't weakness, it's control. It's understanding that distance can speak louder than attention. Give her space to feel your absence, and when you return, she'll feel the difference. Let her miss the silence between your words, the calm between your messages, the presence that once filled her space. That's when she realizes she doesn't just like talking to you, she craves the energy only you bring. And brother, that's when you become unforgettable, not because you stayed, but because you left well. Brother, most men believe attraction is about the right words, but they couldn't be more wrong. It's not what you say, it's how she feels when you say it. Women remember energy far longer than they remember words. You can make her laugh today, but what she'll remember tomorrow is the calmness, the confidence, the grounding she felt when she was near you. That's what lingers in her mind. When you walk into a room, your energy speaks before your mouth ever opens. If your presence radiates certainty, she'll feel safe. If your energy is scattered, nervous, or desperate, she'll feel that too. The secret, brother, is to control your energy before you control your words. Because when you carry steady, masculine focus, when your tone, your eyes, your body language all say, I'm sure of who I am, she won't just hear you, she'll feel you. And that feeling becomes addictive. That's what she thinks about when you're gone. She's not missing your jokes or your compliments, she's missing the emotional peace that surrounded her when you were near. But if every time you show up, you're restless, unsure, trying to impress her, that energy drains her instead of grounding her. A woman doesn't crave a man who performs, she craves a man who is it. Be the man who brings calm in a world full of chaos. Be the one whose energy slows her heartbeat, not speeds it up with confusion. That's the kind of man she can't forget. Because while words fade and faces blur, the way a woman felt in your presence is what stays with her. So stop focusing on what to say. Focus on what you project, let your energy do the talking, and brother, you'll never have to chase her attention again, she'll come looking for your calm. Brother, attention is the currency of attraction, and most men spend it carelessly. They throw it around like loose change, hoping it'll buy affection, but that's not how it works. Attention only holds power when it's given with intention. When you give too much of it, too often, it loses its value. Constant compliments, non-stop texts, quick replies, these things feel good in the moment, but they rob you of mystery. The more predictable your attention becomes, the less impact it has. Women don't crave constant validation, they crave meaning behind it. When your attention is rare, it becomes special. When you give it in doses, she feels it more deeply. That's how desire grows, in the space between what she wants and what she can't fully have. You have to learn restraint, brother. Don't be the man who floods her with words just to keep her interested. Be the man who gives her moments to miss your voice. When you're talking to her, be fully present. Make her laugh, hold her gaze, let the energy build, and then step back. Shift your focus elsewhere. That sudden pause, that unexpected withdrawal, creates tension. And tension is the seed of attraction. It makes her wonder, why did he stop? What's he thinking? Did I lose his focus? That's the power of controlled attention. You're not starving her of connection, you're allowing her imagination to work in your favor. Every time you pull back, she fills the silence with curiosity. And that curiosity pulls her closer. So give your attention with strength, not desperation. Let it be something she earns, not something she expects. Because when your attention becomes a privilege, brother, that's when you stop chasing her and she starts chasing your focus. Brother, one of the biggest mistakes men make is revealing too much too soon. They pour out every thought, every plan, every story, trying to connect, but in doing so, they kill the very thing that keeps a woman intrigued, mystery. Mystery isn't about hiding the truth or playing games, it's about discipline. It's about knowing that not everything needs to be said. When a woman feels like she can predict you, she stops wondering about you. And once the wondering fades, so does the excitement. You have to understand that curiosity is powerful. When you keep parts of your life private, not secretive but intentional, you invite her mind to fill the gaps. She starts to wonder where you're going, who you're with, what you're working on. And that wondering becomes fascination. The less you explain, the more she feels the need to understand. You see, brother, it's not what a woman knows about you that keeps her interested, it's what she doesn't. When she senses there's depth she hasn't yet discovered, she'll keep coming back, trying to peel back the layers. So don't give everything away. Share your thoughts selectively. Talk about your passions but not every detail. Let your actions reveal more than your words. The man who reveals everything is easy to figure out, the man who holds something back becomes unforgettable. It's that air of quiet confidence, that calm control, that makes her lean in closer every time. When she realizes there's more to you than what you show, she starts investing emotionally to uncover it. And that's how you stay in her mind. So remember, brother, mystery isn't distance, it's power. It's the unspoken pull that makes her think about you long after you've walked away. Brother, one of the most powerful things a man can do is build a world that doesn't revolve around her. Too many men lose themselves in the pursuit of a woman, rearranging their lives to fit into hers, forgetting that attraction isn't born from need, it's born from purpose. A man with no mission becomes predictable, and predictability kills desire. When a woman sees that your focus, your passion, and your discipline exist beyond her, she begins to see you differently. She sees a man who moves with direction, not desperation. That's the kind of man who earns respect before affection. You must have something bigger driving you, your craft, your health, your goals, your brotherhood, your growth. When you wake up every morning chasing improvement, you radiate purpose, and purpose is magnetic. She'll be drawn to that energy because it tells her you're not waiting for someone to complete you, you're already whole. The men women never forget are the ones who were building something real before they ever met them. You don't have to tell her you're busy, she'll feel it in how you carry yourself, how you prioritize your time, how you speak with clarity about where you're going. When she realizes she's not the center of your world, she'll want to be part of it. Women don't want to be your purpose, they want to join a man who already has one. So, brother, stop living for her attention. Live for your mission. Build a life that excites you so deeply that she wants to experience it with you. Because when your world is already alive, when your energy is already moving, she won't just admire you, she'll chase the feeling of being close to something that powerful. Brother, predictability is the silent killer of attraction. When a woman can predict every move you make, when she knows exactly what you'll say, when you'll text, and how you'll react, the excitement fades. There's no tension, no wonder, no curiosity. And curiosity, brother, is the heartbeat of desire. You don't have to play games or act cold, but you do need to keep her guessing. Be unpredictable in small, confident ways that make her lean in. Maybe one day you surprise her with a thoughtful message at a time she doesn't expect. Maybe you pull back for a while, focusing on your work, and when you return, you come with new stories, new energy, a different light in your eyes. That kind of unpredictability keeps her mind alive. It makes her ask questions about you even when you're not there. When everything about you becomes routine, she stops feeling the spark. But when you bring variety, through your tone, your timing, your silence, you awaken her emotions again. Unpredictability doesn't mean chaos or confusion. It means you're a man with depth, a man whose life isn't easily read. You're not performing, you're evolving. You're showing her that every time she's with you, she's meeting a slightly newer version of you, more focused, more grounded, more certain. That keeps her intrigued. Because deep down, every woman wants a man who challenges her emotions, who keeps her heart guessing in a healthy way. Don't let your energy become a routine she can sleep through. Keep it alive. Keep it shifting. When she never quite knows what to expect, she'll crave your presence just to find out what comes next. That's how you keep her attention, not by trying harder, but by staying unpredictable in the most effortless way possible. Brother, never lower your standards just to keep someone interested. The moment you bend your values to please her, you lose her respect, and once respect is gone, attraction soon follows. Women don't miss the man who gave them everything they asked for, they miss the man who held his line. A man with standards commands presence. He doesn't have to demand respect, his boundaries create it naturally. When you show that you value your time, your peace, and your purpose, she sees that you're not just another man seeking approval, you're a man who knows his worth. And that, brother, is rare. Too many men think that agreeing with everything, saying yes to everything, and tolerating anything will make her stay. But what truly stays with her is the man who said no when something didn't feel right, who walked away instead of begging to be understood. That firmness leaves an impression that time can't erase. You have to understand that standards aren't walls, they're filters. They don't push the right woman away, they simply reveal who's willing to rise to your level. And when she sees that you don't compromise your principles for attention, something shifts in her. Even if she acts indifferent, she feels it. The memory of your strength lingers. She may not admit it, but she'll replay the moment you refused to accept less than you deserved. Because deep down, every woman respects a man who stands tall. So don't be afraid to lose her by standing firm. Be afraid of losing yourself by bending. A man who values himself doesn't chase validation, he attracts admiration. And that quiet, unshakable strength, brother, is what makes you unforgettable long after the conversation ends. Brother, nothing makes a woman think about a man more than the possibility of losing him. When she believes you'll always be there, waiting no matter what, she starts to take your presence for granted. But when she senses that you have the strength to walk away, when she feels that you're not bound to her approval, everything changes. That quiet strength creates a tension she can't ignore. It's not about manipulation or playing games, it's about knowing your value and refusing to settle for less. When a man truly values himself, his absence becomes powerful. She starts to feel it in moments she doesn't expect, in silence, in the space where your energy used to be. Suddenly, the things she overlooked before start to matter. She remembers your calm voice, your steady focus, your energy that made her feel safe. That's when she realizes what she's missing. The thought of losing you is what brings her mind back to you. But this power doesn't come from pretending you don't care, it comes from genuinely being okay on your own. The man who doesn't need to stay is the man who's truly free. That freedom is what makes him magnetic. When you walk away from disrespect or indifference with peace instead of anger, she feels the difference. Because deep down, she knows most men would have begged, but you didn't. You let go with dignity, and that silence speaks louder than any words. That's the moment you become unforgettable, not because you demanded to be remembered, but because your strength forced her to. So, brother, stop asking how to make her miss you. Start living in a way that she can't forget you. When your value is undeniable, your absence becomes the loudest presence she'll ever feel.